everybody. Welcome back to What's Cooking with Cauliflower. I am Rachel and this is
Stephanie.
Woo! You're at the right place if you're looking for some simple, creative, and really healthy recipes using our cauliflower pizza crust. Now today is a little bit of an untraditional pizza that Stephanie thought of. Of course, she's our culinary in-house genius when it comes to making recipes. So I'm gonna actually let you explain to me what you made here because I'm kind of your assistant when it comes to doing these.
Okay. Well, we tried to be really creative again with our amazing crust. I went ahead and led with the vegan crust, but you can use another variety, which we're going to show with, I think, our sweet red bell pepper.
Yeah.
Kind of a fun way to use it. Rachel's going to use a cutter. You can use the entire pizza or cut it into a heart, or you can use a wonderful pizza cutter and cut out
little
shapes.
Baby ones. Aren't these cute? Now, we learned this earlier. We have to thaw out the pizza before you do this.
Yeah.
Trying to use a cookie cutter with a frozen pizza, not the easiest of things.
No.
So this is super easy. I mean, look at this. It's just like cookie dough. Cute little heart.
And super cute hearts, which after we put them in the oven and take them out off of our vented pan are going to be nice and crisp and almost like a fantastic little cookie, so we can frost them like cookies. Cute. We had the option, again, because I used the vegan one, I went ahead and made an entire plant-based option, and then I also opted for, people who are cheese fans and want that, exactly. So we have something for everyone. So I have a plant-based option, I have cream cheese as an option, and then I also have goat cheese. And all of them are kind of at room temperature, so they're easily spreadable.
So you can use any one of these for your spread, right?
Right, that's it.
And then make this.
So I'm going to go ahead and take some plant-based and I'm going to just kind of smear it on there, just like that.
I'm going to do goat cheese.
Okay, do it just like that.
I love the little tang that goat cheese has. And I hear that goat cheese is actually, even though it's a form of dairy, it has some other health benefits than regular cow milk does.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to Google that.
Yeah. Well, when I used to eat a lot more cheese, I think I enjoyed the goat cheese, just the taste of it. So I went ahead and put strawberries on mine. I went ahead and gave you some pepper jelly, because pepper jelly would be a nice option as well over on your side. And then with my strawberries, I'm going to go ahead and put some fresh basil.
Ooh, and strawberries are fantastic for you. They're like my favorite. I mean, they're a berry, they're a fruit. I don't know exactly what they are. They're amazing. But they're rich in potassium, rich in vitamin C. They have a lot of antioxidants, so they're incredibly healthy for you. So you can feel good about having this little mini pizza as well.
Absolutely. And again, sticking with the greens. Love the greens. So we got fresh mint, fresh basil. And here in Chico, we got Maisie Jane's fresh wild honey. So
local.
Also, helping you out with your allergies. You're going to go ahead and take a little bit of drizzle of honey on top of that bad boy, just like that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
This looks so good. I had something like this at a friend's house the other day. She had these little appetizers. And look at that. It's a pepper jelly with goat cheese. This tastes amazing. In fact, I'm gonna eat it right now.
All right, so for Valentine's Day or any day of the week you want to spread some love, what a great way to do it. I mean, you don't have to complicate it by cutting it in a heart, but heck, show someone how much you care by making a heart-shaped fruit pizza with, or pepper jelly pizza. Share it at a party with friends. It's tasty, delicious.
Take it to your kids' school.
Oh my God.
You know how you can't have like candy? Yeah, they would love this.
Yeah.
So yummy, healthy. They don't even need to know it.
Again, Cali'flour Foods, making it happen in different ways that you didn't think were possible.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. We have a ton of really fun recipes coming your way. So make sure you subscribe at the bottom and you'll be the first to know whenever a new episode drops, which happens weekly.
Absolutely. So share the love at Cali'flour and we'll see you next time.